Hello and welcome back to the channel, where today I'm going to show you how to play the E minor chord on guitar. And by the way, this is going to be the easiest chord you're ever going to play. We start out with two fingers, your second and third finger. And you place your second finger on the A string, which is the fifth string, at the second fret. Right below it is your third finger at the second fret of the D string, which is the fourth string. So right there is how you're going to play the E minor chord. Now when you're playing this chord, one thing, you don't want your hand touching the bottom of the guitar. See how mine's arched? You need to play on the tips of your fingers so that you don't mute any strings. And when you're playing the E minor chord, you play all the strings. And that's the E minor chord. The E minor chord is just one of the chords that you can learn over at Sharon's Guitar Academy in my beginner guitar course. So if you're interested in that, check out the link in the description. Thanks.